we have a discrete random variable, and in a discrete random variable, the function maps the element of the sample space onto a point in the real number. While continuous random variable, the function maps the elements of the sample space onto a range of points on the real number. Now, when you have discrete distributions, like for example, the first distribution we talk about is somebody Bernoulli distribution. Now, in this distribution, if we have an event E, then this event can occur with only two possible outcomes. It has only two possible outcomes. Like for example, if you toss a coin, a fair coin that is, you can either get a tail or a head with equal probability. You only have two possible outcomes. So that one will follow a Bernoulli distribution. I also talked about the presidency in Kenya. Each presidential candidate goes to an election with either getting a win or a loss. Even the recently concluded AUC chair, you know what Baba did? Yeah? Yes. Baba said that he went there clearly aware that he can only have two possible outcomes: win or lose. Such an event follows the Bernoulli distribution. So it means you have the event E, the sample space, that is, the sample space is either E or E complement. Where this one you get the event, you succeed, this one you don't succeed. And we say the indicator, let's have I to be the indicator variable. It means S. It means S of I is equal to can either lose or win, as only two possible outcomes. Only two possible outcomes. What's up? Now we said this is Bernoulli. Now the BMF, the probability mass function. We are talking of the probability mass function because it is a discrete random variable. Otherwise, if it would be continuous, we'll be talking about what? Probability distribution function, PDF. It's given by P of X 1 minus B 1 minus X. That is F of X. This is the probability mass function. The probability mass function. From here we can get the expectation of X and the variance of X, and even the standard deviation of X. Now, if you have the random variable X, probability of X is equal to X. For 0, we have 1 minus Pn. Yes. For 1, we have Pn. So expectation of X is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 up to n X. P X is equal to X. You multiply these events by the probabilities and you sum them up. So that one will be 0.1 minus P plus 1 dot P, and this one gives you P. So the expectation of that distribution is equal to P. What about the variance? Variance of X. The variance is given by expectation of X squared minus expectation of X. But now we square this. So expectation of x squared will be 0 squared dot p dot 1 minus p plus 1 squared dot p. So this one you get p. Substituting into this equation, we get var of x will now be p minus p squared, which simplifies into p in 1 minus p. So this is the variance of Bernoulli distribution. And the standard deviation, how do you get the standard deviation? Find the square root of what? The square root of the variance. Yes. So that is all we can say about Bernoulli distribution. Only two possible outcomes. Win or